thought we'd do a quick van tour. We're 55 days now into full-time and we're about to do some upgrades, but then I realised that you've not actually seen the full van as it is now. Yeah, seen some of the upgrades going along, but not the finished product as stands. It is getting altered. So yeah, we're going to do a quick van tour of our own, I guess. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. Alright.
See you for now.
See you in a bit. One of our latest additions here, our sticker wall, and it's rapidly filling up. Life.
Not quite so new.
no, not a recent addition. So,
cat escaping, and these are our tables come seats. Have to move the mat because it's position built.
Okay, there's one table.
And then we need a big table.
There you go. A bit
just
bigger
to prove
table.
that it does work. Watch this collapse. There you go. Feet up and everything.
So that's our bench for if we have people inside the van on a horrible day. Okay. Right then, so next thing we have, I guess, is the toilet. So
carefully hidden away.
Okay, if you've watched the video on how I made the toilet, you'll know the ins and outs of that, literally. Storage down the side for sawdust, toilet paper, and there's an extractor fan to take any smells outside. Pee in the front, poo in the back, sawdust. Job done. Oh, and it's a bit sparkly.
That's my doing.
Another unusual feature in the van is the mini Cyclops wood burner by Glastonbury Burners. Excellent little stove, and it saved us in Scotland.
This is our Thetford triplex oven. We have 3 hobs on the top and a good size oven with 2 shelves in it. And this is our household fridge freezer. It's a Russell Hobbs. It's got a good sized freezer inside and an excellent fridge. And this is my beautiful sink. Lovely cover that Phil made. Another great feature is lights inside the cupboard. You can see everything without having to fumble.
And this is our inset storage shelf. There's a bit less insulation here, but I did it so that everything could be set back into the walls, taking a bit less room of the kitchen. Holds all our spices and big utensils instead of having them in the drawer.
The porthole blinds are cushion covers just hung onto the doors. to make things lighter, we've removed our ceramic tiles and replaced them with these stick-on ones, which come like that. We also took away our pallet wood wall, which had done that painting on, and we've replaced it with cork roll, and that's given us a notice board.
Today we've just stripped the bed back because what we're going to do is remove these two pieces, those two pieces, and spread these out. So just to try and remove some excess weight we don't need. So see how it goes. I've actually positioned these probably a little bit closer than there would be in a standard bed. These are the bits wood removed, and they're weighing in at 9 kilograms just for those 4 bits that were on each end of the bed. And this is how the bed looks now. A few more lats at the actual sitting end, upper body, and the feet end. And apparently this will still be strong enough.
We also decided to restyle our cupboard doors.
One of the panels getting cut. Here's the good looking man who's cutting them. When I first bought the van, what I wanted to do was a hatch in the roof so we can climb onto the roof, and that's how we get our access to the roof, the solar panels, the lights and the cameras. There we go, roof hatch and a roof deck. And this is our sliding door to get through to the cab. Get off me whiskey. Do it now. Bloody daytime alky. Anyway, keep her out in the living bit. Just for me and the boy in it. Right folks, we hope you enjoyed that video. You're now up to date with the current state of Lilla. There are more things in the pipeline, so keep your eyes open for that. It's taken me a little bit of time to get the filming put together, get the editing done on this, as well as the build changes. So there we are now.
On day 96.
Yeah, a bit of time. So anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, okay, and turn on any notifications to get the further updates when they happen. Till next time, take care folks. Bye.
Bye.